Hi, this is Phalla from khmertutor.com. After this lesson, you will be able to pronounce this vowel correctly. As always, do not forget like and subscribe to my channel for more lessons like this. Enough talking, let's begin the lesson. First vowel today is sra'e. Sra'e has short sound. Now, repeat after me. Sra'e, e, e. Good. Now practice say sra'e 3 times. Good. Here are some examples. Se, ra, ro, đầu. Bật, hật, chân, nia, lệ cả, bóng, chân, pấn, hất, khẩn, aha. The second vowel today is ra'i. Sra'i has short sound. Now, repeat after me. Sra'i, I. Good. Now, practice say sra'i 3 times. Good. Here are some examples. Ca ri ya lai. Ca ri ya lai. Ki ri. Cất, bật, tình,ពួកគេគិតថាទិញការិយាល័យនៅជិតនេះ ពួកគេគិតថាទិញការិយាល័យនៅជិតនេះ And now look at the difference when you pronounce sra'e or sra'i. When you pronounce sra'e, you start your mouth closed, then you open it. E, e, e. You should feel vibration right here at your throat. E, e. And now look at sra'i. When you pronounce sra'i, you start with your mouth, stay open slightly. While you say it, you should feel vibration the same place as you say sra'e too. And now repeat. I, I, I. Now practice saying these words. Li, cut. Li, cut. Chol, chat. Chol, chat. Sat sa. Sat sa. Ni, yay. Ni, yay. ថ្ងៃអាទិត្យ ថ្ងៃអាទិត្យ ពិបាក ពិបាក ពិនិត្យ ពិនិត្យ ពិសា ពិសា ថ វិកាថវិកាកិរិយាសព្ទកិរិយាសព្ទបងសិទ្ធចូលចិត្តពិនិត្យថវិកានៅថ្ងៃអាទិត្យបងសិទ្ធចូលចិត្តពិនិត្យថវិកានៅថ្ងៃអាទិត្យ Great! Now you learn Sera A and Sera E. You're welcome. And don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel for more video. See you next lesson. Bye.